10 benefits of drinking water stored in copper bottle and copper vessel. Through a process known as the oligodynamic effect, copper releases some of its ions into the water when it is held in a copper container or bottle for an additional 8 hours. Antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, anti-carcinogenic, and antioxidant effects of copper are well documented. Unfortunately, the human body cannot produce the trace amounts of copper it needs to function healthily. As a result, copper must be ingested through food or water. However, the presence of copper benefits the human body in a number of other ways. Here are 10 amazing health benefits of drinking water from a copper bottle. 1. Fights off cancer. Since copper is a well-known antioxidant, it actively combats free radicals and counteracts their harmful effects. Major contributors to the development of cancer in the human body are free radicals and their damaging effects. 2. Balances hypertension. If copper shortage has existed since childhood, it causes the development of hypotension. However, if copper deficit has existed since adulthood, it causes the development of hypertension. As a result, copper in trace amounts is essential for a person's ability to control their blood pressure. 3. Prevents anemia. Copper helps the body absorb iron, which lack results in anemia, and aids in the digestion of food to produce hemoglobin. Low levels of white blood cells can occur from rare hematological illnesses that are caused by copper deficiency in humans. 4. Cures arthritis and inflamed joints. Patients with rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis benefit greatly from copper's anti-inflammatory effects. Additionally, copper strengthens bones, making it an ideal treatment for arthritis. 5. Negates infection. Patients with rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis benefit greatly from copper's anti-inflammatory effects. Additionally, copper strengthens bones, making it an ideal treatment for arthritis. 6. Helps cardiovascular system. In addition to dilating blood vessels to promote blood flow to the heart, copper aids in the removal of plaque. Studies have shown that a copper shortage can cause the heart muscles to malfunction, hinder blood circulation throughout the body, and make it difficult to react appropriately to stress. 7. Controls aging. Many copper-based cosmetics were utilized in ancient Egypt. Since copper is not only an antioxidant but also helps with cell regeneration, countering the damaging effects of free agents on the skin, and aiding in the prevention of wrinkles and fine lines that come with aging, many skincare products on the market today include copper. 8. Increases brain efficiency. Electrical impulses are the means by which the human brain communicates with the body as a whole. By carrying out these impulses, copper aids in cell communication and improves the efficiency of brain function. 9. Prevents stroke. Copper is a useful tool for preventing seizures because it also has anticonvulsant effects. Since copper has antioxidant characteristics as well, a deficiency would allow oxidants to function more quickly and effectively, raising the risk of a stroke. 10. Weight loss. The body's extra fat stores can be broken down by copper, which also aids in weight loss. Copper keeps the body in a fat-burning state even while the person is sleeping, but this does not imply that too much copper would increase fat loss because it has the potential to harm the body. Thank you.